Hey guys, it's Karen, and in today's video, it's more on life update lang. Kasi I know it's been a while. And I thought nabuhayin ulit itong vlog ko kasi parang medyo nakakalog ako sa time ko recently. And I think my last vlog was in 2019 or 2020 ba? Basta during pandemic time pa, so ang daming nangyari. During the pandemic, nag-work from home. I got my first pregnancy, tapos I also had my miscarriage, and then nag-back to office kami, tapos I got pregnant in 2021, then I gave birth to my first baby, did the whole motherhood thing, and hanggang sa nag-resign ako sa work. Right now, I am a full-time mom, and I do some content creations as well. Ayun, I'm excited to share my experiences as a mom, and also excited din akong mag-travel kasi during the pandemic, wala talagang napuntahan masyado. And primarily, ginawa ko talaga itong vlog channel ko na to, or YouTube channel ko na to share my travel experiences as well as my love for makeup. But you know, when you become a mom, parang lahat pala talaga nagbabago. So, I'm excited to share it with you guys. And I hope manood pa rin kayo or may matutunan kayo sa aking vlog. So, this time, I am going to share about my motherhood journey, my breastfeeding journey, all about being a first-time mom, and mga product recos, ano pa ba. And of course, I will be vlogging also about travel, siguro a little bit of makeup and skincare pa din, and a little bit of lifestyle, ganyan, bahala na. Basta mga everyday ganap, ganyan. Ay, by the way pala guys, you can follow me on my Instagram account, my Facebook page. Well, bago pa lang siya, so you can follow me if you want. And of course, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos about motherhood, of travel, makeup, lifestyle, ganyan. Mga everyday ganap na worth sharing with you guys. So I hope manood pa din kayo and mag-support pa din sa akin. Oh, and I also have a TikTok account, so make sure to follow me on TikTok. So that's all for now. I'll see you again soon. Thank you!